Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we are going to see the remaining part of vocabulary and grammar. Let us go to the textual page, page number 95. Question number 2. Look at the pictures given below and write both singular and plural forms. Make sentences with any 5 of them. Children, as you learnt about singular one or plural many, based on the understanding, complete the given question. Children, here you have to observe the pictures carefully and write in the columns singular noun and plural noun. And make sentences with any 5 of them. Children, you already learnt about singular and plural. Let us revise once again. Singular one and plural many. Generally, we add s with many words to make them plural. Examples: school, schools, pencil, pencils, girl, girls, cow, cows. Let us see the next rule. If a word ends with ch, sh, s, ss, o, x or z, use es to make its plural. Let us see few examples. Watch, watches, bush, bushes, bus, buses, dress, dresses, box, boxes. If a noun ends in a consonant followed by y, change into plural form by changing y to I and then adding es. For examples: city, cities, country, countries, lady, ladies, baby, babies. Let us see the next rule. If a noun ends in a vowel followed by y, change into plural form simply by addition of s. Examples: toy, toys, boy, boys, monkey, monkeys, donkey, donkeys. A noun ending in f or fe takes ves in its place to make it plural. For example: knife, knives, loaf, loaves, thief, thieves, wolf, wolves. Nouns that do not form plurals in the usual way are called irregular nouns. For examples: child, children, man, man, mouse, mice, goose, geese, tooth, teeth. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. For example: deer, deer, fish, fish, sheep, sheep. Now children, turn the next page, page number 95. Here you can write, make new sentences using the singular and plural nouns. Now children, I will show you one example. I'll choose first the second one option. Leaf, singular and plural, leaves, leaves. Now children, let's go to the next page. Make sentences with any 5. First, leaf, singular noun and its plural is leaves. Let us make sentence using the word leaf. Generally, a leaf is green in color. Let us make next one sentence using leaves word. Generally, leaves are green in color. Children, you can write sentences, different sentences also, but I wrote the same sentences, just I made the changes in the singular and plural, and at the same time helping verb also changed. Now remaining you have to do by your own. Now children, let us go to the next page, page number 97, question number 3. Rewrite the following paragraph and punctuate using capital letters and full stops. Capitalize proper nouns. Let us read the paragraph. Mahi went to the zoo with Sam. When she came back, she typed out her experience. She did not insert full stops and capital letters. Now children, read her experience and place the full stops and capital letters whenever it required. Children, as you learnt about punctuation marks, based on the understanding, complete the question number 3 by your own. Here we will stop. Let us meet in the next e-learning class with remaining part of the same topic. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.